So it's been a month since Angel and Popcorn have been in my life, and it's been a month since I became a parakeet mom. Right, babies? Celebration! Yay, babies! Look at them. It's our 1 month anniversary of being together. Yeah, since you became my little parakeets, right? Since you became my little babies and came into my life. I want to thank you, Popcorn, and you, Angel, for making me happy, okay? These make me very, very happy. These are so sweet, and you listen. And you're very smart, and you're learning new things every day.